Welcome back, children. In previous module, what we discussed? We discussed about the human resources, how they are important to the country. Healthy, educated, and motivated people, they develop the country. They are very important. And we discussed about the distribution of population. So the population unevenly distributed. In Asia continent, more population is there compared to other continents. And the northern hemisphere, more population than the southern hemisphere. And we discussed about the 10 populous countries also. First one is China, followed by India. Next one USA. Fourth place Indonesia. Fifth place Brazil. Sixth place Pakistan. Next Bangladesh, Nigeria, Russia, Japan. These are the populous countries. Next we discussed about the density of the population. Density of the population means number of people living in a unit area. Some places, mostly cities, are densely populated than the rural areas. Next, this population. Some places more population is there, some places less population is there. What are the reasons? That also we discussed. That are factors affecting the distribution of population. These factors are geographical factors and socio culture economics. That also completed. Today we'll see Module 2, Human Resources, Module 2. In this, we'll discuss today population change. So, what is the definition of the population change? We'll see in detail. We'll explain the population change. See here, this picture, you observe how the population is increasing. This is about 500 BC. Only 100 million is there, the population. So like that the population normally increasing. Now you observe here the population is 3000 million is there here. Now see here the population is 6000. From here to here 30 years difference is there, but the population is double. Why the population here normal rate is there, but here abnormally increasing? Why it is increasing like this? See here in this first para they are saying why the naturally here the population, the reasons are large number of babies were born but they died early too. Why early? This was as not available for all the people. So health facilities, there were no proper health facilities. Sufficient food was not there to produce enough to meet the food requirement of all the people. As a result, the total increase in population was very low. Here it is very low. Lack of the health facilities and the food. But here the population is doubled. Why? Within the 30 years, the population from 3 billion to 6 billion. Why it was doubled? Here they are saying that the main reason in this growth was better food supplies, better medicine, deaths were reducing, while the number of births still remain fairly high. Birth rate is high, death rate is low, and medicine is available, food production also, supplies also more. In this period 1970s green revolution, that also helped to increase the food, sufficient food. Now you understand the population change. Population change means increasing of the population. If the birth rate and death rate usually measured using the natural growth rate. See here the population differences, population change depend on the birth rate, death rate, migration. Birth rate means number of babies born for 1000. Death rate means number of people die for 1000. That is called the death rate. Migration means some people are coming into country, some are going out of the country. That is in and out. Migration is the movement of people in and out of the area. Suppose take the example of India. Some people are going to foreign countries. That is called out. Migration out. Some people from the abroad, they are coming to India. That is called in. Migration. Now see here the population change, how it is with examples how they are showing. See in the first picture how many babies are there. Born babies 5 are there. In this death is 2. Suppose imagine here the population is 100 is there. In this year population is 100. We have to add the birth rate, means 100 plus 5 105. Next death rate we have to minus, means 105 minus 2 103. So here the population from 100 to 103 it was increase in a particular year. This is the example estimation only. To easily understand I took 100. So present year the population 100 is there. We have to add the birth rate, then minus the death rate. Now the population change is 103. Now see second example. Here birth rate is 3, death rate also 3. Suppose 100 is there population, 100 plus 3 103 minus 3 death rate 100, means no increase or decrease. When the birth is equal to death rate, then the population will not increase. It remains same. The population remains same. Now in this picture you see birth rate only 2 babies were there, but the death rate is 5. Take same example 100. Present population you take, imagine 100. 100 plus add the birth rate 102. Now subtract the death rate 102 minus 5. We are getting 97. So here the population decreases. Earlier 100 is there, now only 97 is there. So when the death rate is more, the population will decreases. In these 3 examples easily you can understand. When the population birth rate is more, population is increase. Both are equal, no change in the population. If the death rate is more, the population is decreases. Okay, now we'll see the migration. How the migration affect the population change. People move within the country from one state to another state or from one country to another country. That is called the migration. This migration are 2 types are there. One is the emigration. Another one is the immigration. Emigration, immigration. So for countries like the United States of America and Australia have gained in migration or immigration. So developed countries, USA, Australia, they are the developed countries. From other countries like India, the people will migrate to America to settle there. That is called immigration. Immigration means from one country, from our India, they are going to another country. Next one, out migration. That is called the emigration. So from the country, loss of population due to the out migration or emigration. They are going to outside. So USA, the people are coming to from other countries, the USA population will increase. Here from the Sudan, population is going to out of country, from the Sudan to other countries. That is called the emigration. When emigration is there, population will decrease. When in immigration is there, the country population will increase. Like that the population change affect the migration affect the population change. So mostly this one immigration emigration, developed countries, from undeveloped countries to developed countries. See here, developed nations. The people will move migration from the less developed countries to the more developed countries. Here, less developed countries Sudan, more developed countries USA. From undeveloped countries to developed countries, the people will migrate. Why they will migrate? Employment opportunities. Because of the employment opportunities, they will move from one country to another country. From rural area to urban area, search of employment, education and health facilities within the country. This migration is called within the country, from one state to another state. So from rural area to urban area. Rural means village, village to cities. Because of the employment, search of employment, education and health facilities. These are the population change. Now we'll see the patterns of population change. Some countries how it was affecting. We'll see here. So the total population depend on the birth rate, death rate, move in and out. So immigrants, we'll add the immigrants plus birth rate to the population. Then we'll subtract immigrants. So who are moving from out of the country, and death rates also we subtract from the population. So here, when the birth rate is more, when from other country they are immigration to one country, then the increase the population. Here this is the USA. So from other undeveloped countries, the people are coming to developed countries. That is called the immigration. That's why the population will increase. When the population will decrease, when the death rates are more, when the people are leaving from that country to another country they are going, so automatically the population will decrease. So what are the population increase or decrease factors? Already we discussed in the pictures. When the birth rate and death rate in the second situation, so the population remains same, no increase or decrease of the population. This is in first picture we discussed already. Birth rate increase, death rate decreases, then the population will increase. If this is in third case, when the birth rate decrease, only 2 babies are born, death rate is 5 is there, then the population decreases. It came down 97. And in which places more population, already we discussed. Plains like Gangetic plains, more population is found. Coastal plains, places like drought areas, hilly areas, less population. This already we discussed in the physical factors. So factors influencing the death rate. Why more people? In population change already we discussed this one here. In this picture we discussed why death rate is more. The reasons. The reasons why that rate is more. Due to poor medical facilities, health facilities like exam, hospitals, clinics were not there, poor sanitation, cleanliness is not there, natural disasters such as earthquakes, volcanic eruption, drought, floods, limited education. So if people are educated, then they can take care of their health. If they are uneducated, they cannot take the health care. Wars, diseases like AIDS, famine, severe droughts, poor hygienic and lack of the clean water. This all affect the death rates, increases. Next one, population growth. So here the population already we discussed in 30 years from 3 million to 6 million it was doubled. When the population is abnormally increasing, then it is lost to how it was lost. The population also causes global impacts like pollution, More population, they will use more mobiles, more automobiles, means two-wheeler or four-wheeler. It leads to the pollution, air pollution. Next, global warming, automatically the temperature will heat. Climate changes, natural disasters, and mainly unemployment. When the population is more, the government are unable to provide employment to all the people. To control population growth, people must be given access to education. We have to give awareness to them to stop the population. And awareness ill effects of overpopulation growth. When the overpopulation is there, what are the disadvantages? We have to aware the people. China, they are saying one or none. Give the birth to one child or none, because the population is increasing the abnormally. Now today task of the day is, so already we discussed about the population change, the factors: birth rate, death rate, migration. No, you take any two: birth rate, death rate, or migration. Again, migration is in and out migration, immigration and emigration. So discuss the role of any two factors you take influencing the population change with the examples. So how it is affecting from one country to another country, one continent to another continent, they are migrating the people. How it will affect when the population is more in one place, the resources is not sufficient. How it will affect, you write. Thank you, children.